you're here for the wax job on your car?
Oh yeah.
And you want to upgrade to a ceramic coating? Yeah, man, like we don't even install wax. We only do the ceramic coating now. Yeah, I mean, when I first started using ceramic coating, dude, it like changed my whole life. I literally just ceramic coat everything now. I don't even use wax. Craziest thing I ceramic coated? Oh man, the president, he asked me to go to the White House and ceramic coat his dog. I was like, dude, that's gonna repel the water instantly, man. Yeah, I mean, the ceramic coating, it's way better than the wax. The wax lasts like 3 months, but ceramic coating like 2, 3, 5. Dude, there's even a 50-year ceramic coating now. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it, man. Like, dude, is that ceramic coated? Yeah, so I got you down right here for the No, dude, what are you trying to do? Dude, this is top secret information. This is ceramic coating. Oh, you like this shirt? Yeah, I know it says eat, sleep, detail, but I wanted to say eat, sleep, ceramic coating, because, dude, like ceramic coating is everything now. Yeah, so I know you came in for the wax. It's $299 job, but the ceramic coating, it's $15.99.
Only $15.99.
Yeah, like $1,599. I hope that's good enough for you, man. Right?
Should be about fine.
That's okay. Yeah, we'll take
so.
credit card. No, man. No. You need to come over here. The ceramic coating. That's what we need. Ceramic. Only ceramic coating. Like, we just have to ceramic coat everything, man. So you want to change your appointment for next week? Dude, I don't think you can do that. We got a call from a hip hop star. We're going to ceramic coat his whole house. Like, everything. I take ceramic coating so seriously, man. I ceramic coat everything. This watch, this wedding ring. Thinking about ceramic coating my dong, dude. Yeah, so, can I book you in today? Ceramic coating?